Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the Sneaker Fiend. Now today we're going over the Nike ASUNA slides. But before we do that, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. Also make sure you follow the Soul Luxury. That is my brand. I sell sneakers, streetwear, as well as clothing. As you guys can see right here, Soul Luxury. This is one of the new pieces, as well as the hats. I got shorts, all sorts of different colors. I'll show you this hat real quick. You got the embroidery crown up at the top, back, embroidery Soul Luxury crown logo. So make sure you guys check that out. I'll leave all the information in the description below. But with that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. So right off the bat, I'm gonna say these are the most comfortable slides I've ever worn in my life. They did retail for $45. I'll go ahead and show you guys the box real quick. Comes in a boring orange Nike box. I'm disappointed. Retail $45. Yikes. I feel like for slides, $25 to $30 is a pretty good price, but honestly $45 is not that bad for the quality you're getting on these slides. And honestly, there's other slides out there that go for around $100, so $45 honestly isn't that bad. Before we get into the slides, I do want to let you know I have been wearing these for the last 2 days just to test them out, just to give you guys an authentic, real review, let you know sizing, fitting, all that stuff. I wanted to test them out for a few days before I gave you guys my opinion. But with that being said, here are the slides right here. The ASUNA Nike slides. These things are fire. Like, they're just straight fire. I like this colorway the most. They do have a white pair and a black pair. All these slides have pretty much sold out on Nike and other websites. They did restock on Finish Line, I want to say. It might have been Foot Action, one of those two. I was able to catch the restock, got my size, and they sold out again. I mean, you can still find them on like StockX and other places. I'll leave links down below on places to find them. You know, just the way the red, black, and white collide together, I think it's just a dope colorway. Plus, red is my favorite color. Now, looking closer at the slide, you do have this cool, very different design. Kind of loud, which I do like. Synthetic leather in red, a white Nike swoosh. You guys can see all the stitches running through it that give it a nice little touch. Then my favorite part is the little like lacing system you got on the side. So you actually can make these tighter by tightening this up. But to be honest with you, these things are already tight as it is. So I am a size 10 and I went with the size 10 in these. And when I first put them on, I was actually really discouraged because they were like really tight. Like I almost couldn't even get my foot in. And that's another reason why I ended up wearing them for 2 days or so. Just because I was kind of discouraged, thinking like, man, these really aren't gonna fit. They're as loose as they get. But the thing is with these, they actually have this material right here that ends up just like fitting to your foot super quickly. So when you guys get these, you slide them on foot. Don't get discouraged because they're gonna seem tight at first. Just start walking around. I'm telling you, instantly your foot will slide up more and this material here will just kind of form to your feet. Honestly, the feeling is amazing. This is a super light slide and it's like thick and comfortable. Like straight up, I think it is the most comfortable slide. Right now, I'm wearing some normal black slides. Here, I'll pull them off real quick. Just the black Nike ones, really cheap, just like, I don't even like standing on them right now. I feel like I'm just standing on like a weird mat, where with these, it's like you're walking on a cloud. You end up spending $20 more on these than you do your black generic Nike slides, which is totally worth it. I'm telling you, these are mad comfortable. Now, one thing I am worried about is the outsole. I'm not sure how this is gonna hold up. As you guys can tell, it is a little dirty from 2 days wear. And it's like a foam-like material, and I'm just worried that with time this is gonna like really wear out. I don't know if it'll necessarily become rounded, just because these ridges are pretty steep, so it would take a lot of wearing to wear it down to like a smooth surface. But I don't know, I'm a little worried about that. Then you got like extra traction on the middle, which I do think kind of helps. And I know I keep saying the comfort is amazing, but like when you put these on and you're walking with them, you're not getting that like little flip in the back. You're not getting the sound like the little flip of it hitting your foot or the ground. It really isn't gonna fall off when you're wearing these. This right here and the outsole really just hug your foot, and it's really comfortable, and there's pretty much no slipperage. This doesn't come, you know, away from your foot. It's almost like you're wearing shoes that just don't have the heel section. You guys can clearly see I like the comfort on these. But with that being said, let's look at these on feet.
Look, I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Nigga, dumb nigga, I ain't never ran from none, nigga. I ain't about to choose a day to have a run with you.
Can't imagine where you're going till you know where you've been. Where I lived, you never been, and you don't know how it feels. Politics is everywhere, just look around where you're in. Tribulation, baby, I ain't got the time to forget. Crack up 20 years to life because the color of skin. Not to mention, it ain't help a single mother with kids. And then you wonder why them youngins used to do what they did. How you killing us and thinking that we gon' be your friend? When these killings gon' end, I can't breathe. Grief was all that you give, all I see. When these killings
Give me to run around, I need a direct answer. Give me your best answer, I want your best dancer. Girl, I'm a smooth talker, I talk you out your panties. Come over to TEZO land, where you can live out your fantasies. No matter where I move to, I deal with all the same things. My homies so hard-headed, some of them like the gang bang, but that's just how it is. We all
Bam! The ASUNA Nike slides in this red, black, white color scheme. Let me know what you guys thought of the slides. Have you tried this model out? Are you going to buy a pair now that you've seen this video? Let me know all that good stuff. Again, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. If you want any of the Soul Luxury merch, make sure you follow me on The Soul Luxury as well as BreezyKicks23. Send me a DM. Tell me what size, color you're interested in, all that good stuff. But yeah, with that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
Look, I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done, nigga. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we get